Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself wondering if there's a powerful sexual chemistry between you and an older woman but felt unsure about the signs? Today, we're going to uncover the signals many people often miss that indicate intense sexual chemistry in age gap relationships. These cues can be subtle, hidden in her body language, the way she looks at you, or even in her touch. By the end of this video, you'll have a keen eye for these telltale signs, giving you a clearer understanding of her interest. And don't forget, we have a special bonus tip waiting for you at the end of the video. Make sure to stay tuned for it. Before we proceed, think you might need a little nudge in your dating life. Our free strategy call could be just the thing. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to reserve your spot. Ready to become more attuned to what she's really communicating? Let's dive in and discover these signs together. 1. Sudden silence in conversation. Ever been in the middle of a conversation, and suddenly there's a pause, but it doesn't feel awkward at all? It's as if the air between you is buzzing with unspoken words and mutual understanding. This kind of silence isn't just about the absence of words. It's filled with something more, something electric. Picture this. You're talking, laughing, and then there's a pause. But instead of rushing to fill the gap, both of you hold each other's gaze, soaking in the moment. It's like everything around you fades away, and there's just the two of you, connected on a higher level. This kind of charged silence is a powerful indicator of strong sexual chemistry. It's not just any silence. It's a moment where both of you are intensely aware of each other's presence, where the unspoken feels more meaningful than words could ever be. It's as if you're both on the same wavelength, sharing a secret language that only the two of you understand. So, the next time you find yourself in a moment of silence with someone, and it feels more charged than awkward, take note it might just be a sign of something higher brewing between you. 2. Lingering handshakes. It's one of those moments where time feels like it slows down, and you're left wondering if there's something more behind that simple gesture. You're saying goodbye, and as you extend your hand, she takes it. But instead of a quick shake, her hand lingers in yours, gentle yet firm. She looks into your eyes, and there's a moment where it feels like the whole world fades away, leaving just the two of you in that shared connection. This lingering touch is more than just a polite gesture. It's a subtle but powerful sign of higher interest. It's like she's not quite ready to let go, savoring the moment of contact. It suggests a desire for more than just a casual, friendly interaction. There's an unspoken language in that extended handshake, a silent conversation that hints at a higher attraction. So, if you find yourself in this situation, take a moment to appreciate the depth of what might be conveyed in that simple, prolonged touch. It could be a sign that she's feeling a connection that goes beyond just being friendly. 3. Exchanging intense glances. They say the eyes are windows to the soul, and when it comes to spotting sexual chemistry, intense glances can be absolutely electrifying. It's those moments where a single look can convey more than words ever could. You're across the room, maybe at a gathering or just walking down the street, and suddenly your eyes meet hers. For that split second, everything else seems to blur into the background. It's like the world stops, and there's an unspoken connection that sparks between you. These intense glances are more than just casual eye contact. They're a powerful, silent exchange of interest and attraction. It's as if both of you are sharing a secret that no one else in the room is privy to. The way her eyes linger just a moment longer, the way she looks away and then back again, it all adds up to a magnetic pull that's hard to ignore. These looks aren't just coincidental. They're deliberate, a non-verbal way of saying, "I'm interested." So the next time you find yourself locking eyes with someone and feeling that electric charge, take notice. It might just be the start of something higher, a silent yet clear signal of mutual attraction. 4. Slow movements. When it comes to reading signs of sexual chemistry, slow, deliberate movements can be incredibly telling. It's all about the subtle, almost imperceptible changes in how someone carries themselves around you. Imagine this. You're at a social gathering, and you notice her walking towards you, but there's something different about the way she moves. It's slow, almost as if she's savoring each step, her eyes locked onto yours. Or maybe she casually reaches up to touch her hair, but the gesture is drawn out, deliberate, and undeniably sensual. These slow movements are more than just casual actions. They are a conscious or subconscious way of drawing your attention and creating a more intimate atmosphere. It's like she's setting the stage, creating a moment that's charged with potential. The way she moves can make everything feel more intense. It's not just about what she does, but how she does it. These slow, intentional gestures can be a clear signal of her awareness of you and an unspoken invitation to notice her. So, If you find yourself captivated by her movements, chances are it's in your head she's likely feeling the same magnetic pull. Hope you're enjoying the video and feeling motivated to enhance your dating skills. Our free 60-minute strategy call is tailored to help individuals like you who are ready to make real changes. During the call, you'll gain insights into developing a personal dating style, techniques for effective communication, and ways to build confidence that makes a difference. Don't wait. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Changes in her voice. It's one of those subtle yet powerful indicators of attraction that can make a conversation feel incredibly personal and engaging. Picture this. You're having a casual chat, and suddenly her voice softens. It's almost as if she's lowering the volume to let you in on a secret, creating a bubble where it's just the two of you. This softer, more intimate tone can be incredibly disarming, making you feel like you're the only person in the room. This shift in her voice is more than just a change in volume. It's a signal that she's trying to create a closer connection. It's a way of drawing you in, making the interaction feel special and exclusive. When someone speaks to you in a hushed tone, it often means they want you to feel closer, more engaged in the conversation. It's a subtle cue that she's comfortable with you and wants to expand the connection. So, if you notice her voice becoming softer, warmer, or more intimate, take it as a sign that she's interested in more than just a casual chat. It's her way of letting you know that there's a higher chemistry at play. 6. She adjusts her clothing frequently. This could be a subtle but telling sign of attraction. When a woman adjusts her clothing frequently, it's often a sign that she's feeling a bit self-conscious or wants to ensure she looks her best around you. You're engaged in a conversation, and you see her gently tugging at her neckline, smoothing out her dress, or brushing imaginary lint off her sleeve. These actions, though seemingly minor, can speak volumes about her state of mind. This kind of fidgeting is more than just a nervous habit. It's a way for her to draw your attention to her and signal that she cares about how she presents herself to you. It's an unconscious way of saying, "Notice me, I'm interested." When someone is attracted to you, they become more aware of their appearance and how they are perceived. By adjusting her clothing, she's subtly trying to ensure she looks good and feels confident in your presence. So, if you catch her making these small adjustments, take it as a positive sign. It often means she's feeling the chemistry and wants to make a good impression, indicating her interest in you goes beyond casual conversation. Bonus tip: her pupils dilate. Here's a fascinating and subtle sign of attraction that many people overlook: pupil dilation. It's a subconscious reaction that our bodies have when we see something or someone we're attracted to. Pupil dilation occurs because our brain is signaling excitement and interest, even if we're trying to play it cool on the surface. So the next time you're talking to someone you're interested in, take a moment to notice if her pupils seem larger than usual. Imagine you're in a dimly lit room, and as she looks at you, you catch a glimpse of her eyes. If her pupils are noticeably dilated, the lighting, it's a sign that she's feeling drawn to you. This physiological response is something we can't control. It's a natural reaction that happens when we are intrigued or aroused. So, if you see her pupils expand, it's a primal indicator that she's interested and excited by your presence. This little detail can be quite telling, especially in situations where she might be trying to hide her true feelings. While it's not something people can fake, it's also not something they consciously control. So the next time you're wondering if there's mutual attraction, remember to look into her eyes for the connection, but also for those subtle signs that her body might be giving away. It's one of the clearest, most undeniable signals of genuine interest and excitement. So now you know those sexual chemistry signs. What's next for you? Discover how to tell a younger woman is secretly into you, or learn what the biggest turns off are for younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.